Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk. Another very beautiful day, to be honest with you. It is cold, it is rainy, not so windy, but yeah, it really feels like autumn is here now. So yeah, I would say this is the first day where I really feel cold, so yeah. But I'm trying to keep the spirit up. You know, every season has its beauty, so let's enjoy the autumn. Let's embrace the change of the season and the change of the colors and everything. So you can see, the bit of a yellow coming through in the trees. It is apple season, so the apples are falling from the tree. Here you can see a few apples here. Nice. So we're here in this little villa neighborhood. In Sollentuna, the place where I live. And yeah, today I couldn't really be bothered to go into town. So I was like, what shall I do? Yet shall I do? And then I was like, wait a second. I'm out of cheese, people. And I'm a Dutch person. You can't run out of cheese. That's like, it's like, let's say if you're a crack addict and you run out of crack. That's how I feel when I either run out of coffee or cheese. I can't run out. It's not allowed. Should be plenty. So I almost ran out. So yeah, I was like, gotta go to the shop. And yeah, the closest shop to where I live, I'm in my neighborhood. So yeah, the closest supermarket where I live is the Lidl. We all know Lidl, our German chain. You got Aldi and you've got Lidl. And yeah, let's go to the Lidl and see what they got. It's really close to where I live, so I hope I don't bump into like neighbors and people from my children's school and things like that. Let's see how it goes. Should be fun. So if there's a little cut in the video, you know why. It's because I'm talking for 20 minutes to my neighbors, talking about his new car, his children's grades, or his grandma that's in the hospital. So let's see how that goes. Because like where I live, here in Sollentuna, Sollentuna is like kind of a city on its own, 15 kilometers from Stockholm. So it's like greater Stockholm, right? Not inner city Stockholm. But even Sollentuna is divided in different small areas and suburbs. So yeah, I'm not going to tell you exactly where I live, but anyway, where I live, because otherwise you're going to visit me. So where I live, it's kind of a village feeling. So there's a lot of flats and stuff and also villas and things like that. But where I live, I kind of know everyone. And when you have like small kids that go to school, you have a lot of social contacts through the school and the activities, and, they'll play together and then you get to know the parents, etc., etc. So basically where I live, I'll know almost everyone and everyone knows me. Not because of my channel, because nobody knows I run it. I think I've mentioned this before in some of my previous videos that almost no one knows I'm actually running this channel. There's very few people. Yeah, this is nice here. Some apartments. In these apartment blocks, there's mainly elderly people living in here. I don't know if that's a coincidence or if they are like rentals for 55 years and up. I'm not sure. But usually, when there's a lot of retired people living around, you see things like this. Because they have more time, they take care and more pride of their little gardens they got here. So you can see that they really, they cut the edges, they have a lot of flowers and things like that. So, yeah. I see a lot of taxis here as well, like picking up the people, maybe going to their family members or whatever. Yeah. It's quite a nice little neighborhood. You can even see it in the playground here. See, it's very organized and some roses in the middle. So I think some of the people living here, they go out and fix it. It's rainy, horrible weather. So chat gang, what's up, man? Good to see you all again. I told you I'm back in uploading every day. So the new time is 5 o'clock, not 1 o'clock. It's better for me. It's less stressful. Because if I go out and about and 9 o'clock in the morning, as the video has to be out at like 1, I have to upload it has to process, and then I have to check if there's any problems and blah blah blah. So yeah, I prefer the 5 o'clock one. And also for the people in the North America and stuff like that, which is the number 2 country on my list of most watching hours after Sweden. So yeah, so here we've got a lot of new apartments. Cool. And here we arrived at the Lidl. So let's see how this will go. As I said, I know everyone here, so wish me luck. Speaking of supermarkets, right? This must be the same everywhere in the world. The prices in the supermarket has gone up tremendously. It's so expensive right now. I mean, Lidl is one of the cheaper ones, you know. But still, the prices of bread, meat, vegetables, everything has gone up so much. But what I like about the Lidl is the campaigns they have, or the special deals on some random stuff like shoes, t-shirts, socks, tools. Love it. Cheap deals. So sometimes you can buy really fun random things at the Lidl. Anyway, let's go in. Usually you get a lot of deals here as well on the entrance. Let's check that out. Got here some snacks, some plants, the vegetables here. There's potatoes. Alright, these are still okay. 9 crowns per kilo. I don't know, what are these called in English? Can't remember the name. Also, it feels a bit weird for me to talk English to here in my local Swedish supermarket, but anyway, I do the best I can, people. If I talk a bit soft, you know why? Because I feel embarrassed. Not my section. Oh yes, let's have a look at the knäckebröd. There's so many different ones in Sweden. Delikatess, frukost means breakfast, havre. But this one I usually take, husman. This is the classic one, the big round ones. Check it out. Oh, these ones I love as well. Like these mice cookies or whatever they're called. Check out the bread. See, bread has always been very expensive in Sweden. Like for example, this one is decent. 35 crowns for a loaf of bread. Which is like, I don't know, 3.5 euros. I mean, they have cheaper ones as well, like this one. For like 2 euros, but I still think it's really expensive. Because you don't want any bread, do you? You want the good stuff. So yeah. What's this? It says vegan. Oh, muffins. Nice. I'm getting hungry now. Alright, let's check out the cheese, because that's why I'm here. Cheese, 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 cheese. Like this supermarket is a bit cheap, but it doesn't have everything. So usually I just go for like one of these. This is nice. Herrgård Swedish cheese. Or the classic. The big one. 2 kilos. This is like one of the cheaper ones. But same thing goes with bread as for cheese. It's really expensive here. Especially now after the pandemic. I mean, we gotta check out the butter. Like, let me know, how much does butter cost where you're from? Because here the price of butter has, and even the, what's that called, Bregott margarine, the price has gone up so much. But yeah, this is not a complaint about prices. That was not what this was about. Oh, we got some herbs. Rosemary. Parsley, is that what it's called in English? Chili. Garlic powder, I guess. Yeah. Love garlic powder. Said it many times before, garlic, my favorite ingredient by far. Beans, I eat a lot of beans as well, and chickpeas. Toilet paper, maybe the most. Well, I was talking about coffee and cheese before. Well, if there's one thing that can't run out, it's toilet paper. You gotta go, you gotta go. And it was probably quite funny comment the other day from someone from like Bangladesh or Sri Lanka, who was like, yeah, we don't use toilet paper, we use our hands. I thought that was the comment of the week, actually. That was quite funny. Right, washing detergent. Oh, let's go back the other way. Sorry if this video is a bit unstructured. I'm just wandering around. Just checking out what they got. Pizza, cheese, nice. Coffee, yes. Oh yeah, tacos. Taco Friday is a common thing here in Sweden. And here actually this is what I get usually, oat milk. Let me get one of those. Yeah, like as a replacement for in coffee, I really like it. It's not because I'm vegan, because I'm not. I do drink milk, it's just that I really love the taste of it. Spaghetti. I love these ones in funny, different colors. Couscous. Couscous is pretty good as well, but I never really get the difference between couscous and bulgur. Because for me, it almost looks the same. You look bulgur, couscous. Oh, peanut butter. Love it. See, this is not a good idea. Just go to the store like half hungry and then just want to buy all kind of stuff. Snacks and chips and peanuts. Cashew nuts. Good stuff. Oh yeah, my favorite section, chips. So what's your favorite? Is it more like sweet stuff, chocolate and candies on this side? Or is there more chips on this side? Let me know. Ooh, these are good. Look. Hey, this is those random deals I was talking about. They got like, I don't know, kind of stuff they randomly sell, like a sandwich toaster for like 20 euros. A drilling set. Sweaters. Cordless drain cleaner. No idea. What's a cordless drain cleaner, people? So confused right now. What is this? Alright, someone tell me, what is this? To clean pipes? I have no idea. Lemonade, that's actually one of my favorite drinks. Nice. So yeah, this is not actually alcohol, it's like alcohol-free beer, see? IPA, alcohol-free. So they do sell a little bit of alcohol in some of these, like 2.8% or 3.5. That's like the maximum they're allowed to sell in Sweden. Like when it comes to alcohol, when you have to go higher than that, you have to go to you have to go to the alcohol store, Systembolaget. Actually, I'm gonna get some yogurt as well. Yeah, because my kids love this stuff. Good. a bit tricky to carry at the same time as I'm talking and walking with the camera, but okay. Hungry. What's on the other side here? Let me check. I think it's like frozen pizzas and stuff. Got the till, which is kassa in Sweden. What's this? Protein bars. Oh, I love this. These vitamin C tablets. I have a small addiction for vitamin C tablets, I'm not gonna lie. Together with cheese and what's it called? Cheese and coffee, yeah. Oh, energy drinks. I don't drink energy drinks. I know a lot of teenagers are super addicted to these. Oh, that looks nice. Pizza. That looks good. Fedora pizza. I mean, it's always more fun to make your own, but you know, if you're in a rush, why not? Got here, PP. Alright, I think that's kind of it for me. I didn't want to buy so much today, so just two things. Let's go and pay. It's a little bit of a shorter video today, but I was like, yeah, let's bring those guys along to my local supermarket. It's not so big here, so there's not so much to show. It's not like those gigantic ones like ICA and Coop and stuff like that. Alrighty, thanks for watching, people. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all tomorrow on a new adventure. Bye bye.